In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals of 6 upper key in array input method. And 6 upper key, we have 6 0, 6 1, and 6 3. According to the fundamental keys of array input method, 6 is dot, and 0 square, 1 horizontal, 3 vertical. Okay, let's take a look. The first one is yen. You can see the left hand side. It begins with dot 6 and ends with square 0. So you can see the left hand side of this radical is 6 0. And I'm going to show you radicals on the left, in the middle, the bottom, and right or top. Okay, let's begin with this one. This one begins with 6 0. So we hit 6 upper key, which is Y key on your keyboard. Okay, and the next row right here is 9 left falling. So we hit 9 middle. And continue, here's a cross. So we press 4 middle. And last one, square. So we press 0 middle and space. Alright, the next one, the left upper one right here. This is a 6-1 radical that I will explain later right here. Okay, so 6-1 is at 6 upper. And here's a cross. So we press 4 middle. Continue this radical 6 0. So we press 6 upper. Okay, we've done 3, so we go to the last one, which is cross again. So we press 4 middle and space. Alright, next one, it begins with a 7 lit, so we press 7 middle. Continue, this radical is 1 horizontal, 9 left falling, so this is 1 9, and 1 9 is at 1 lower. And continue, this is 8, so we hit 8 middle. Last one, 6 0, which is 6 upper space. First one. Alright, next one. According to this row, you write this radical first. So this 6 0, 6 upper. And this radical right here is 6 8, begins with dot 6 and with 8 right falling. So 6 8 is at 6 lower and space. Okay, the next 6 0 radical is right here. The upper right here, dot 6, and end with this square. So this upper part is also 6 0. So if you would like to type this character, you press 6 0, which is 6 upper, and continue. This exception, this is 7 1, 7 lit, although it's 2 dots in the middle, but we put this in as exception, so 7 1, 7 upper. And continue, this is 7 and 8, so this radical in the middle here is 7 8. 7a is at 7 lower. Okay, we've done 3, so we go to the last one, which is right here, is a cross, so 4 middle and space. Okay, continue. Let's go to 6 1. And the first 6 1 radical is right here. The 6 dot begins and all the way to this stroke in the middle. So if you don't look at these two radicals, the upper part is 6 1 because it begins with 6 dot and ends with 1 horizontal. So let's take a look at this one also. Begins with 6 1, so we hit 6 upper. Continue, here's a 5 right turn hook, 5 fundamental key, 5 middle. And then we have hard. Hard begins with dot 6, ends with dot 6, so hard is 6 6. 6 6 is at 6 lower. And the last one, this is a 9 8. So we press 9 lower and space. Okay, the next one, upper part 6 upper 6 1 and continue. This is a 1 2, 1 horizontal and 2 left turn. 1 2 1 2. There are 2 1 2s, so we hit 1 upper key twice. Space. Okay, the next 6 1 radical is right here. The upper part you can see dot 6 and 1 horizontal. This one also, this one also, and this one also. Okay, and I'll show you how to type this one. 6 1 6 upper and 8 fundamental key, 8 middle, and space. Next one begins with dot 6, 1 horizontal, 6 upper, and the rest is a 4 1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal. 4 1 is at 4 upper, space. Next one, still 6 1, 6 upper, and continue. This stroke is right here. I'm left falling, so 9 middle. And continue. Here's a 2 left turn, so we hit no 2 continue 8, so this is 2 8, so we hit 2 lower key and space. Alright, the next one 6 1, so we hit 6 upper and continue 2 dots fundamental key 8 middle, and then we have 7 lit right here, so 7 middle, and we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is square. Okay, so 0 middle and space. First one. Okay, the next 6 1 radical is Li. So you can see left hand side of this here, bottom or right. Okay, so 6 1 is at 6 upper. And continue, this is 3 1, 3 vertical, 1 horizontal. 3 1 is at 3 upper. And the last one square, so 0 middle space. First one. And the next one, top we have 6 1, so 6 upper and end with cross 4 middle space. Second one. Okay, the next one begins with 5 8, 5 right turn, A 2 dots. 5A is at 5 lower. Next one is 5 8 again, so 5 lower again. And the last one 6 1 6 upper space. First one. Alright, the next one, hand, is 9 4 because if you look it up in the dictionary, this is hand, so begin with 9 and end with double cross, so this is 9 4. And if you're writing, in this case, this is also 9 4. Okay, so 9 4 is at 9 upper. And continue 6 1 6 upper space. Okay, the next 6 1 radical is right here on the right hand side. You can see begin with dot 6 and all the way to the last stroke 1 horizontal. Okay, so the very right part of this character is 6 1, the radical 6 1. Okay, so let's take a look. This one begins with 3 vertical and end with 8. So this radical on the top is 3 8. 3 8 is at 3 lower. And continue, this is a person right here, person. So we press 8 middle. And the last one right here is 6 1, begins with dot 6 and end with 1 horizontal. 6 1 is at 6 upper. First one. Continue, left hand side we have 1 9, 1 horizontal, 9 left falling. 1 9 is at 1 lower. Continue, this is a 2 6, 2 left turn, 6 dot, 2 6 is at 2 lower. And continue, person 8 middle, and the last one, dot 6, 1 horizontal, 6 1. And 6 1 is at 6 upper. Okay, and the next and the last radical of 6 upper key is 6, 3. So where's 6, 3? I'll show you here. The first row dot 6, and we have this 5 right turn, and this is the end of this radical, 6, 3. And the reason array input method use this radical is to distinguish. You can see 1 dot and 2 dots. Okay, so we have 6, 3, which is begin from this one and end with 3 vertical. And then you can decide you're having the next radical for 1 dot or 2 dots. Okay. Okay, so this one begins with 6, 3. So the first radical we picked 6, 3 here, 6 upper. And continue, we have only 1 dot, so dot 6, 6 middle. And right upper we have this I exception, 7 middle. And the last radical right lower part, this is 2 fundamental key and space. First one. Okay, next one still begins with 6, 3, 6 upper and single dot, dot 6 middle. And continue, we have square and 1 horizontal in the middle. So this is 6, 0, 1 first, 0 upper. And the last row, 3 vertical, 3 middle, space. Okay, and the next I'm going to show you 2 dots. So the same 6, 3, 6 upper begins. And 2 dots, these are called 8. So we hit 8 middle. And continue, this is a 5, 3, 5, 3, so 5 upper. And last one, this is a 5, 8, right falling. 5, 8 is a 5 lower, space. Okay, the next one, still 6, 3 begins, 6 upper, and 2 dots, 8 middle. And the next radical is 1, 4. Okay, begins with 1 and continue. This is 7 and end with double cross. So 1, 4 is at 1 upper. And the last 6 dot on the right upper side. So dot 6, 6 middle, space. Alright, that's all for the radicals of 6 upper key, letter Y on your keyboard, 6, 0, 6, 1, and 6, 3. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.